The Bizmaker Integration Tool is a software designed for the meeting industry, destinations, venues, PCOs focused on the association meetings segment. It is the only integration and analyzation tool importing and managing the leads from the ICCA database. The core functionality allows an ICCA member to import and manage data from the ICCA database. Let us see how it works. This is a preview of the file to be imported, and just click the button. We can import meeting essentials and meeting editions at the same time or separately. In the downloaded Excel file, meeting editions are mixed between different series. The Bizmaker Integration Tool reassigns them again to the right series, done in no time. The tool can profile leads for different venues in your destination. If you have 2 venues for 1,000 and 2,000 people, you can profile separately the same lead for both destinations, without making duplicated records. Let's go to profile the leads. The software has a built-in sales funnel splitted up in 13 steps. The tool makes calculations to make the process easier. Once profiled this way, this lead will come up in the report. The integration tool is made in Italy by Bizmaker with the FileMaker platform.